The LG dishwasher error code U40 indicates a problem with the door being unlatched. This issue can be caused by a faulty door latch, damaged door cables, or a damaged door seal. To fix the error, start by addressing any issues with the door latch. Begin by disconnecting the dishwasher from its power source and inspecting the latch mechanism for any obstruction due to rust, dirt, or food debris. Use a soft brush to clean the mechanism, and check for misalignment, tightening any loose screws as needed. Apply lubricant to make the latch easier to operate. If the latch is severely damaged, it may need to be replaced. Additionally, check the door cables by unplugging the dishwasher and removing the front panel to access them. Inspect the cables for damage such as frays, corrosion, or burns, and replace them with new ones if necessary. The door seal should also be inspected. Clean the area to remove any debris or grease, and replace the seal if it's damaged. After making these repairs, turn on the dishwasher to see if the error has been resolved. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to seek further guidance from a professional.